Hello, I'm Vaughn, the founder and CEO of Tier 5, and welcome to the login area for your course material. So if you've already purchased the courses, you'll be able to just go ahead and create an account or log in if you already have one and access all the pre-made courses for you. If you haven't purchased the courses already, well, you're not going to be able to log in. So you can go ahead and create your account and log in, and you'll have access to all the courses that have already been created. Now remember, a lot of these courses are being or have been made in a live scenario, so they may not all be in the dashboard yet, but you will continue to receive email notifications every time we go live to create a new training material to put inside the course area. So I would encourage you to come to all the live trainings that you can, because in the live trainings, you'll obviously be able to ask any questions that you have and get them answered during the live training. So go ahead and log in, and you'll be able to access all the trainings that we've already created.